Finding solubility based on KSP. In this problem, it says given that the KSP of CaSO4 is 6.1 times 10 to the negative fifth, what is the concentration of each ion in a saturated solution of CaSO4? Write the answers in standard form. So now that they've given us KSP, we need to understand what the concentrations of each ion are at a saturated solution, so when it's equal to KSP. So what we have to do is, now that we know that's saturated, we know that KSP is going to equal the concentrations that we have. We know that when we separate Ca and SO4, we're just going to have 1 mole of each. So we know that Ca2 plus times the concentration of Ca2 plus times the concentration of SO4 2 negative is the appropriate solubility product that we have here. Remember, the coefficients here are just 1 and 1 because it's 1 mole of each of them that's produced in the equation. So let's say they have a certain amount X concentration. So they both have X concentration times X concentration, and they both equal KSP. So that's going to be X squared equaling 6.1 times 10 to the negative fifth power. So now we solve for X, and we see that X is going to be 0.0078 because they want it in standard form, and X is again the concentration for both of these problems. So X 0.0078 is going to be the molarity for both of these ions. So 0.0078 is going to be the answer for both the concentration of Ca2 plus and SO4 2 negative.